Invictus is a film which shows how Mandela used sport to unite his country. It is about the Springboks, the South African rugby team. Rugby was considered a game only for white people, and football was the game for black people. In 1995, the Rugby World Cup was held in South Africa. Mandela thought this was an excellent opportunity for everyone to support the national team together. It was difficult to change people's opinion at first, but soon many black people followed Mandela's example and cheered for the Boks too. Then, when South Africa beat New Zealand 15-12 in the final, blacks and whites celebrated together all over Africa. This was one of the greatest moments in South Africa's sporting and political history.